Hi there, students. A guru. A guru. Okay, this word comes directly from Hindi, or maybe from Punjabi as well. A guru is a religious leader or a teacher in the Hindu or in the Sikh religion. And that's the basic meaning of it. But we use this word a guru more informally to talk about a mentor, a person who gives advice. So you could have a an investment guru. Yeah, this is somebody who gives you advice about investment. A guru, an expert in a particular subject who gives advice. So I think I am a self-styled English guru. Yeah, it's a person who knows about something and gives advice about it. So, a business guru, an internet guru, an advertising guru, an English guru. Okay, so a guru, a knowledgeable teacher who guides students who are in search of the truth. I think a guru, an advisor or a mentor. Okay, a mentor, a person who teaches, yeah, a person who is an expert and helps people to learn. Um, Okay, an expert or a leader. I guess you could have a fashion guru who dictates what people have to wear. Yeah, I don't normally tend to follow fashion gurus. Well, you can see it with the stuff I wear. So a guru, an authority, yeah, an expert. But the real meaning is a religious or spiritual leader, particularly in the Hindu religion. Um, okay, so let's see, a guru, somebody who is a leading authority in in a particular field of knowledge. So yeah, when there's a football match, you normally have several football gurus talking about it, or a cricket guru, somebody who knows all about cricket. So I think, yeah, it's an expert who gives advice, who is a leader in a particular field. Um, I think sometimes being a guru is probably quite a difficult job because are gurus allowed to make mistakes? I'm sure they are. But they shouldn't, because if you're giving people advice, then you're sending them in the wrong direction. So, yeah, I think there's pressure to get things absolutely right. I think these fashion gurus telling us what we ought to wear, style gurus, what we ought to buy. Okay, so yeah, a health guru who's telling you what to eat and how to live. A management guru, telling the management of the company what to do. A self-help guru, somebody who's giving you advice how to help yourself. Okay, so a guru, yeah, Guru G, I love it. Um, let's see. Each of the first 10 leaders of the Sikh religion. Yeah. Okay, but more normally now, an expert, an authority, a pundit, somebody who is an influential teacher or a popular expert. Guru, formality. I'm going to give it 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Let's see, as to origin, it comes from guru in Hindi or guru in Punjabi as well, which comes from the Sanskrit word guru, venerable, respectable. I guess that's it. So, a guru. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Guru.